Hey guys, this is WOD breakdown for the day. We are going to start with 10 minutes of cardio. Rolling, 10 minutes of rolling, 5 minutes of cardio. Then we're going to go into 20-second pec stretch. When you do that stretch, remember we want to lightly stretch. Just go to that point where you start to feel tension and that's it. You don't need to force it. Forcing it doesn't actually help. Then you're going to go into pretzel stretch. On that one, you're going to tuck one leg underneath, one leg over the top, hug that knee, hold that for 20 seconds or 30 seconds, and then switch to the other side for 30 seconds. After that, you're gonna do some walking lunges. We're not working on really going deep here. You're just gonna take a step, come up, take a step, come up, just to kind of get the legs loosened up, open up your hips a little bit. The EMOM for Tuesdays for the month of June, we are doing curl and push press. So you're gonna take these dumbbells and curl them up, and then do a small dip and press. Bring it down, curl, bring it up, and small dip and press. So you're gonna use a little bit of legs just to get that weight moving. You're gonna do 9 reps every 75 seconds, and you're gonna do that for 8 rounds. Once you finish that, you go into the main WOD for the day, and today is a 18-minute AMRAP. You're gonna take a jump rope, you're gonna do 50 single jump rope. If you don't have a jump rope, you can do a lateral hop, or you can hop up and down. I would prefer the lateral hop if you don't have a jump rope. After that, you've got 20 reps of sit-ups. You're gonna lay on your back, touch the ground, sit up, touch your toes. So 20 reps there. Then you've got jumping jacks. On that one, hands start at your side, clap overhead. You finish your 20 reps there. Then you have walking lunges, just like in the warm-up. Then you go to up-downs. Up-down is half of a burpee. Go to here, up to here, stand back up. You're gonna do 10 reps there. Once you're done with a round. You start it over. You're gonna do as many rounds and reps as you can in 18 minutes. Have fun, get nice and sweaty. We'll catch you on the next one.